In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test an order in Woocommerce. Whether you're setting up a new store or making updates to your existing one, testing your checkout process is an essential step to ensure everything is running smoothly for your customers. By walking through the checkout process yourself, you can catch potential issues before your customers do, saving you from headaches down the road. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through this process step by step using the Woocommerce Order Test plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to simulate a customer order and verify that everything is working as it should. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is install and activate the Woocommerce Order Test plugin on your WordPress site. This plugin is specifically designed to help you test orders in WooCommerce without the need for real payments or complicated setups. If you're not familiar with installing plugins, here's a quick refresher. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section, click on Add New, and search for Woocommerce Order Test. Once you locate it, simply click Install and then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now that the plugin is installed, you'll need to access its settings. To do this, go back to your WordPress dashboard in the menu on the left-hand side. Look for the settings related to this plugin. Depending on your setup, it may be listed under Settings or WooCommerce. Once you've found it, click to open the plugin settings page. This is where you can customize how the test order process works. Next, you'll want to enable the Test the Checkout Process option. This is the core feature of the plugin that allows you to simulate purchases without involving real payment methods. On the settings page, you should see a checkbox or toggle for this option. Make sure it's turned on. Enabling this feature ensures that you can test the checkout process seamlessly, just like a customer would. Before testing begins, it's important to confirm that you're logged in as an admin user. This ensures that the test option is visible when you navigate to the checkout page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your WordPress site as an administrator. This step is crucial because the plugin's test features are typically only accessible to admin users, so double check that you're using the correct account. Once you're logged in, it's time to test the actual shopping experience. Start by selecting products from your store and adding them to your cart. This can be any product or combination of products you'd like to test. Navigate through your store just as a customer would, browse the products, click on the ones you want, and add them to your cart. This step helps you ensure that the process of adding items to the cart is functioning correctly. With your items added to the cart, proceed to the checkout page. Here you'll complete the order process just as a customer would. Fill out the necessary details such as a test name, address, and any other required information. Since you're using the test mode enabled by the plugin, you won't need to enter real payment information. Simply follow the checkout process to the end and submit the order. When the order is complete, the next step is to verify that you receive the appropriate emails. Check your email inbox to confirm that you've received both the order confirmation email and the test confirmation email. These emails are critical indicators that the system is functioning correctly. If you're not seeing them, double-check your email settings in WooCommerce to ensure they're configured properly. Finally, take a moment to confirm that the entire checkout process is working as intended. Review the order details. Ensure the emails reflect the correct information, and verify that the process felt smooth and intuitive. If everything checks out, your WooCommerce store is ready for real customers. If you encounter issues, this testing process will help you identify exactly where the problems are so you can address them before making your store live. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to test an order in WooCommerce using the Woocommerce Order Test plugin. By taking the time to follow these steps, you're ensuring that your customers will have a seamless shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.